Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to do an inexpensive manicure. It costs less than $1.50 and it takes less than 10 minutes. So these are the nails that I'm going to use. I bought them at the Dollar Tree. They are Sassy Plus Chick Fashion Nails and they are meant to be glued on, but glue, it causes issues with my nails. I know it does with a lot of people's nails. I have hypothyroidism, and so my nails can be really brittle, and if I were to glue those on and then soak them in acetone to remove them, it would just damage my nails and make them look even worse. So I'm trying to avoid that. That's why I went to Amazon and I purchased 2 different types of adhesive tabs. These tabs were $6.99. They come with 200 tabs, so you can do about 20 manicures with this. These remind me of the ones that you get that are on the press-on nails. And these were $9.99 for this package. You get 50 sheets and each sheet has 24 tabs on it. So this is actually the better deal, and I'll link both of these below. I have not used these yet though, so these may work better. I don't know yet. They are a little large, so there's a good chance that I'm going to have to cut them down to fit my nail size, which is a little bit more work than these because these come with more different sizes so that you can find the perfect size for your nails. So right now I'm kind of liking these better, but I am going to use these today on one hand and this on the other hand and just kind of see which lasts longer and which one I like better. So the first thing you want to do is be sure and trim your nails short because you don't want your nails to show underneath those nails, the fake nails, because it just doesn't look right. So I have trimmed my nails, and the next thing I'm going to do is take a cotton pad and some alcohol. Just any of your drugstore alcohol will do, and I'm going to douse this pad and I'm going to clean off all the oils from my nails. The natural oils that are on your nails will prevent the adhesive tabs from sticking properly. Now I'm just going to let them dry for a minute, and then I'm going to apply these adhesive tabs directly to my nails. I'm going to start with these adhesive tabs, and they just peel off like this. Going to apply that to my nail bed. I'm going to press down. And can you see that? They're too big. So these are pretty darn large. Okay, I'm going to take that off. So these are going to have to be cut. So I'm going to grab some scissors. Okay, so I have made all of those quite a bit shorter, and hopefully they'll fit this time. I'm going to press that firmly down on my nail, and then I am going to take that top portion off. I'm going to take my nail and I'm going to press it on. And you want to start with your pinky first when you do these, because if you start with your thumb, a lot of times that when you're putting these on, you'll end up accidentally lifting that thumb. I like to just hold it down and press it for a few seconds. And that seems like a pretty good bond. I might like these better than these tabs. You just want to press down to make sure that you get good contact with your nail bed. And all that adhesive is touching your nail bed and you're not getting any bubbles. And then another nice thing about this is that you can actually reuse these nails. So once you are done with your manicure, they'll pop off naturally sometimes, or you can soak it in acetone to break that bond. If you soak it in acetone though, then chances are you might ruin the nail. But if they pop off naturally, then that adhesive tab will just ball up and on the nail. You'll just have to ball it up and then it comes right off. And you can reuse these nails if you'd like. That one's a little too big, so I expect that it might fall off pretty quickly because, oh, that's way too big. Okay, never mind. We're just going to redo that one. See, and the nice thing about these is they just pull off really easily and they do not damage your nail bed at all. I'm using these tabs on my right hand, and I just peel them off gently, and then I lay them down on my finger like this and press it down really well, and then I pull that top tab off so that the sticky part is exposed, and then I press the nail on. I'm applying it to my nail. I'm pressing out any air bubbles, and then I pick my nail up and I press it on firmly, and I hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then just press all along the base of the nail where it's attaching to that glue, just to really make a nice firm bond. And there is your final product. This is great if you're going on a date, or you're going to a wedding, or you just want to have pretty nails for a day. I will say that they don't last a super long time, but I don't mind that because sometimes I just want to have pretty nails for a day and I don't want it to do anything that will permanently damage my nails. So I think that these look great. You can change out your nails daily if you want to. So if you are one of those people who loves to match your manicure to your outfit, well, you can make these yourself, or you can just go and grab some. I know they sell quite a few of them on Amazon. You can grab them at your Dollar Tree, and then you can just switch them out daily if that's what makes you happy. You can also throw these in your purse, and if they pop off during the day, well, you can put them right back on. I will say, talking about these two specific types of adhesive tabs, these are great because they have all different sizes, and so you don't have to cut them down. You will find a size that fits your nail very well. It can help make application a little bit faster. These seem like they might have a little bit of a stronger bond. I'll be interested to see how these wear all day. I really do like these. What I don't like is that you have to cut them because they're a little bit long and they won't necessarily fit your nails. You also have less choices of sizes, so they both seem like they're going to work well. I will get back with you and let you know exactly how these wore. A little bit cheaper for these, a little bit more expensive for these, but if these hold better, which I'm kind of thinking they might, then these might actually be a great choice. So I will let you know at the end of the day. I wanted to do a quick update on my nails. And so on my right hand, I used these tabs. They were the $9.99, and you get 50 sheets, so you can basically do about 100 manicures with this, but they do not last as well because if you can see, I've already lost 2 fingers. So, and this is about 4 hours in. This hand, my left hand, I have not lost any. So these are really on there tight. It is a good bond. The ones that I used on my left hand were these adhesive tabs. So I have to say that if you are trying to decide between buying these and buying these, if you want your manicure to last longer, I would recommend purchasing these. These are more expensive. They're $6.99. You get enough to do 20 manicures. This is $10, but you get enough to do like 100 manicures. So these are a little more pricey. You also have to take a little bit more time when you're using these because they are large, and so you will probably need to cut them down to fit your fingernail. So manicure might take an extra minute. It doesn't take very long to just cut them down to fit. But I have to say that if I'm going to recommend one of these, then I would definitely recommend these tabs. And like I said before, these are all linked down below. And these are just an easy way to do a quick manicure, to change your manicure daily if you want to just wear out on a date or to go to a wedding. I love them. I think it's beautiful. I get compliments on my nails all the time, and I'm constantly changing them out. So if you want an easy way to do your nails, it's inexpensive, that won't damage your nails, then using adhesive tabs and just inexpensive nails is a great way to do that. You can even design your own nails. You can buy those Kiss sets for, I believe they're $6 at Walmart, and you can paint your own nails and design your own nails and then apply these to them, and then you can reuse your nails again if you would like. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to me, and I just want to thank you for being here with me today, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.